I've been growing my beard out for more than 7 months now, and in this video I'm gonna share with you 6 steps on how to grow your beard. So the first step is you need to set a goal. Just convince yourself that you're gonna grow out your beard for 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, or even a year. And when I say set a goal, I mean that you're not gonna trim the length of your beard in the set period of time. In my opinion, you should not shave and trim your beard for at least 2 months, and only then you're gonna end up with a short beard. And if you want a longer beard, you need to let it grow for at least 4, 5 or 6 months. If you're not sure, set your goal at 2 months, and once you reach those 2 months, follow the golden rule of beard growth. If you're not sure, just grow it out. Now, once you set a goal, your next step should be to shave off any facial hair that you have. The reason is you want to start from a blank page, you want to start fresh, and that will actually make it a lot easier to follow through with your goal. Step number 3 is patience. Now that you set your goal and your face is clean shaven, the most important part of your journey begins. Don't shave no matter what. Just remember the goal you set and follow through with it. I did not grow this beard overnight, and time is the most important thing you can give your beard. Another thing that will help your beard growth is a healthy lifestyle. Speaking of which, alright, maybe I'm not the best example. But yeah, proper rest, exercise, at least some more exercise, less of eating junk food, more healthy food, that will help your beard growth. And it will make you feel better as well. At least you don't want to be as fat as I used to be. Now that you're eating healthier and your beard starts coming in, the next step is to trim your beard. And when I say trim, do not cut the length, but style your beard. Trim the top line, the bottom line. In some instances, maybe even consider trimming the sides a little. Just let the length grow out. There's a ton of information online. Even if you go to my older videos, you can find some tips there as well. It's really important to know how to trim your beard, and if you don't want to do that, you can always go to a barber and let somebody else do it for you. The last step is maintenance. Again, there's a ton of information online. First thing you would need to get for a short beard is a beard trimmer, and if you're going to grow a longer beard, get a beard comb and a blow dryer or a heat brush as well, and even maybe some scissors. But now don't buy stuff first. First, grow out your beard a little bit, see if you like it actually or not, and then think about what kind of grooming tools you're gonna actually need, and then invest in those tools. Just don't buy a bunch of stuff and spend a ton of money on things that you might not need in the future. Just remember, patience and not shaving are the 2 most important things. Now go watch the video about the 5 mistakes I used to make in my beard growth journey.